Since I made a video, so I'm gonna try to start my YouTube video back because I quit, and we're gonna be doing some stuff, and later I'm gonna make another video of opening a hot pot. Well, hot hands. Not trying to copy what's inside or anything. I just want to know what's inside of it. So, and here's Riley Wiggins. What's your YouTube name gonna be called?
My YouTube name is called The Dragon Slayer.
Shout out to Dragon Slayer. Are you gonna be doing a video too about this?
Yeah.
I can go there. Like you can hold both cameras, or set them up somewhere. Why don't you? I can set my phone up down there.
No, I can help you. I'll hold the camera. How about this? You do one that's already crushed, and I do one freshly open. Oh my god. Don't get up that close. They don't want to see none of your boogers.
Guys, I just can't wait to open it. I'm about to open it right now. Hey. Oh wait, I gotta let her get her video stuff started up. So, when she gets her stuff started up, we'll do it. All right.
I'll hold your camera first.
All right. So,
maybe you should cut on that lamp up there, because they can't really see that much.
give me some rules.
Wait, cut on that lamp up there. Because they can't actually see you that much.
You see now?
Yeah, that makes it a little better.
Just in case, put it on some good clothes. I need my skin.
What are you going to put it on? You're just going to keep it on your floor? You know what? Open it like this way. He's going to open this. It's hot hands, but he's going to open it this way so it doesn't get on his floor. Or on a book.
Yeah. All over my mouth.
See, this is what it looks like. Before. That's going to be the after.
Oh my god.
Put it down on the book.
It's like soil.
That looks like pure tea soil. That looks like dirt, DJ. Is it hot? Don't touch it. It can burn you. Ooh.
I think it's gunpowder or something. That's what's inside a hot hand. Not really that much. On the book. I got that from last year, 5th grade.
From who? How could you do that?
It don't matter.
Miss Cleveland might have
matter
you
about
too.
the outside. It matters about the inside.
It don't matter. Miss Cleveland gave this to you.
Alright, I'm gonna go throw this away.
Okay, he's gonna go throw it away. This is my phone. It's all cracked and everything. Oh, he has a Cam Newton jersey. But he broke it. There's his printer. Sock puppet. See, that's what the book looked after he dumped everything off of it. Well, that's what it looked like before.
Superman. Tomorrow, maybe. I'll light this on fire.
No, don't light that on fire.
Maybe. Something else.
Or we'll see what's inside of Publix ball.
She said to cut it in half. I have no tools to cut it in half.
No, I said. Ooh. Rolling.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna cut opening this little ball I got from Bojangles. Please sponsor me. Hello, Bojangles.
Yeah, sponsor him. Don't play with scissors. Like any young kids watching this, don't play with scissors.
We are young kids.
Like, no, like, how old are you?
12.
How old am I?
12.
I'm about to turn 13. So I'm like, what's inside of it? Styrofoam. Vader scissors bend. Styrofoam. So you just basically cut off in that ball for nothing. Like, it doesn't look like styrofoam. Like,
It's purple. Purple.
sponsor him. Next, we're gonna do what's really inside meatballs. I'm just playing. We're not gonna do that.
Already cut up one of them. Nothing separate.
What, meatballs? See, this is styrofoam. This is the ball. This has no resemblance.
You need a scissors.
He did that, but we can't find anything else. So,
Got a hat.
and
Now we're gonna go open a soccer doll, and this is adult proof. Maybe not for you, what it is for us.
don't
Don't
do
put 'em
that.
up to your face.
Like, he's being stupid. First, like, make a slash with the scissors. You like my idea better?
No.
What does it feel like first before you do that?
Feels like a ball.